This tutorial covers how to download Grade Center contents in Blackboard. Log into Blackboard and go to the course where you want to download the grades from. In the Control Panel, open the Grade Center and click on Full Grade Center. At the right of the action bar, click on Work Offline and choose Download from the menu. On the Download Grades page, under Data, choose the Full Grade Center option. In the Options section, choose Tab for the delimiter type and choose No for Include Hidden Information. Click on Submit. Now you can click on Download to save the file to your computer.